Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, January 27th, and I want to get this video up before the market opens. There is a report coming out, PCE report. It's a measure of how inflation is affecting consumer prices. This report is due out at 8:30, and the market expects this report to show progress in the fight against inflation. So that's going to be a bellwether report that's going to affect the market. Looking at the morning news today, big oil poised to smash annual profit records, sparking outcry from campaigners and activists. And a companion article, Chevron annual profit doubles to record $36.5 billion, but misses estimates, so we'll have to feel badly for Chevron. Going over to the morning news, the market is set to open just a little below par, and again, it's over an hour before the market is set to open. Par is right here at 40.74, and that is a target area where the market closed previously yesterday. Now, the market yesterday, on the 26th, the market traded just about at the top of my trading zone, did close the gap in the morning, a nice 30-point gap. And if you caught that, you really should have gone home for the rest of the day, because why risk it? If you can make 30 points in the market any day on a quick gap trade, that's great. And for those of you who have had trouble trading, remember the 6 trades. There are only 6 trades that you need to know as a trader. GST-TMC. Remember those 6 letters, GST-TMC. And I talk about this in my course at timelessdollar.com. And those 6 trades are gap, support and resistance, time and price, trend trade, momentum trade, and the candlestick trade. These are price setups that should inform you as to the direction that the market is going to move and how it's preparing to move in that direction. The character of the market. You need to have the experience to know how the market moves, in addition to knowing these 6 trades, plus knowing your rules. The big news today, folks, is in the big picture. And here's the big picture. From the beginning of 2022 all the way down to here we are at just about the end of January. This was January 26th yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. For the first time, prices broke through long-term resistance. Resistance that has held for 13 months. Folks, this is a real key to what is going to happen going forward. This line has held for 13 months, this line of resistance. The market traded over here yesterday. Very big thing. We're going to wait for that PCE report at 8:30, see how it moves the market. Again, we're coming in just below the previous day's close. I would expect this, if the report comes in good, I would expect the prices to shoot up from here. Anyway, trade safely. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.